good word? It's your boy Bomb Stuff Foo, and I'm back with another video, you feel me? As you can see, the T down wearing, man, you already know what time it is. It's morphin' time! Shout out to Tommy, man, the best ranger to ever do it. RIP, JDF, man, we love you, we miss you, and man, this one's for you, because I'm about to relive my childhood right now. So yeah, man, let's get into it. Pow! Pow! Woo! What? This is crazy. Yo! Wow. Man. That new helmet smell, man. I'm into sneakers, but that new helmet smell, something else too, man. Look at this. What? Yo. What? I'm still in awe. Look at the detail. This is Aniki Cosplay Green Ranger helmet, and this is the original green. You know what I'm saying? Not the green that you see now on the Rangers or even on this shirt right here. You know what I'm saying? But this is the original green helmet. And shout out to my wife. Love you. She got me this for my birthday. I'm just unboxing it, and it's the perfect time. 2025, baby. We starting off big. Happy New Year, everybody. What? Yo, I'm still in awe. Like, it's a masterpiece. Like, look at the detail. Like, the gem right here. Oh, so good. Like, on the other ones are plastic, you know, that you get from Bandai and stuff. Then you got the clips on the side. Oh my God, man. This was my favorite Ranger. I know everybody's favorite Ranger was, you know, of course, Jason was red. But then when the Green Ranger came, Mr. Steal Your Girl took Kimberly. Oh my God, yo, this is... Yo. Shout out to Aniki. It also comes with a bag to put it in as well. So, what? This is so cool. Oh my God. So it comes with a soft bag that you put over it, of course, and then you can store it in the dust bag right here. Bam. Aniki Cosplay, man. Y'all killed it. Y'all killed it. Oh man. You can wipe it down too if it's dusty. You can use this nice little silky, I don't know what material it is, but wipe it down, get some dust. And yeah, I mean, I had to put it on, right? I mean, it's only right? Oh, man. What? It's morphin' time! Huh! Huh! I don't want to break it. That's the thing. Got the helmet on this. Clip it. Slips like that. Oh man. Hopefully my big head fits it. If I can fit it. Woo! A little hot in here, but it looks cool, right? But yeah, man, here it is. All its glory. I don't know if I could fit it on my head because my head's too big. And plus, like when I did it, it chipped a little bit here, so maybe I'll message them and see what they can do for me, or send me with the paint they use so I can just paint it, repaint it. But no, this piece is a masterpiece, man. Definitely gonna go on display, man. Sucks that my head can't fit it. You know what I'm saying? It's all good. It's all good. So we got another unboxing. Let's get into it. Bow! Woo! Bow! Woo! Yes, sir. I had to get this. What is the Green Ranger helmet without the Dragon Dagger? Oh, man. Of course, it's pre-owned but kept in the box. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, I've never had this. I've always wanted this as a kid. Could not get it, and now I got adult money, and now I have it. Before, they made a couple versions, but this one is actually, I would say, the best version because the quality is there. The gold is actually plated instead of being plastic. So yeah, it's from Bandai. Even that box right here. Here it is. Oh man. Though dusty is pre-owned, but it kept in good condition. Got some weight to it too. I like it. Man. Yeah. And does it work? Oh, the switch. Woo, you heard that? Ooh, sword slash. Yeah. So you gotta hold this and press it. That's the sound right there. Good old classic theme song. Called the Dragon Zord. Yeah. Alright guys, we just unboxed the original Green Ranger helmet as well as the Dragon Dagger. I want to get the Green Ranger Morpher, White Ranger Morpher, whatever. I think they come together, but the price is pretty ridiculous right now. I think they're going for like $300. So I'm gonna chill on that until I get a steal. Hopefully I can get a steal, add that to your collection, as well as the Dragon Zord itself. I will want that as well. But I have one more thing. I have one more unboxing to do, and this really sums up my childhood right here. Where is it? Oh, I'm supposed to do this. Pow! Pow! Yes, sir. We have here, if you know, you know, man. Tommy the Green Ranger Auto Morphin toy. And I believe this is the original drop. The one that I actually got for my birthday that my mom and dad gave me. I remember this so vividly, and it made my birthday, and it still makes my day today. So I had to have this. Yeah, so this will be actually stayed in the case. I'm never opening it. Nice display piece. But yeah, I used to play with this toy, man, every day, all day. So there it is. If you don't know, you click it and then it turns into like the human, and then we click again, it turns into, when he has the helmet on. And man, comes with, of course, his shield or his armor right here. Classic. Everybody, that shit, I don't know, that's a game changer. When you saw that, like, he was him. Like, this dude was fly. You know what I'm saying? And how he just came in and also he fucked up all the Power Rangers as well. He went into the Zords and fucked them up when he was the evil Green Ranger. And also I got something coming as well too. So man, to the collection as well. So stay tuned, man. But yeah, it comes with the Dragon Dagger as well as his phaser or pistol. And then on the back, you can combine them. That's pretty cool. You can combine all of them when you collect them and turn it into the Mega Power Blaster. You know what I'm saying? But this is it. It also comes with a little tattoo that you can put on your arm and stuff. I remember I did that. And yeah, but nah, this is it. Oh man. Still in package. Dead stock. Will forever be dead stock. And yeah, I think these went for like $8 back in the day. But yeah, this is the original one. And there you have it, man. Pow! Like, I'm so happy. Like, I know that Christmas just came, but this is definitely feels like Christmas right now. And shout out to the wife, Aniki Cosplay. Shout out to the guy at eBay. Let me get this dagger off of him. As well as this guy. You can let me get this off of him for a good price. You know what I'm saying? And also, shout out to, you know what I'm saying, Global Art Studio for the shirt, man. Now let's get into some close-ups. And there you have it, guys. Smash that like button below. Subscribe if you haven't. If you have already, thank you so much because it helps the channel grow. As you see, we're kicking off 2025 real big with the dope unboxings, and we're going to continue to do that throughout the year. You feel me? As well as I'm an artist at heart and an artist first, so I'm going to be doing not just unboxing like these, but I'll be doing like uploads of projects like behind the scenes, you know what I'm saying? Like time lapses or just maybe even tutorials of how to do certain stuff. But I'm so excited for this year. Thank you for being along for the journey and the ride, you feel me? And just like always, man, peace, love, happiness. Stay tuned. It's your boy Bomb Stuff. Woo! I'm out.